So I am with Ranga sir, one of our senior trek member. So here is our Ranga sir.
Hello, hi everyone.
So sir, tell us about you.
Okay,
I'll just carry it in this side.
I like outdoors.
Okay.
I like running. I like trekking. And when I see mountain peaks,
So before that, let me tell you कि sir जो है इनका एज 70 years है sir.
what's that?
70 years?
68. Not yet.
So okay, so
68. Very close.
सो रंगा सर 70 मतलब 68 ईयर के हैं और इन्होंने काफ़ी सारे माउंटेन पिक्स ट्रेकिंग एंड मैराथन भी कर रखे हैं.
Yes.
सो सर टेल अस अबाउट ट्रेकिंग एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड व्हाट आर द टफेस्ट ट्रेकिंग यू हैव डन
Sure.
along with the marathon experiences.
Okay. So the trekking I started, like when my kids were young.
Okay.
So we will take them, even when they were like 6-7 years old, they will be able to walk about 4-5 miles one way
Okay.
and about 2,000-3,000 feet of climbing, and that's how it started.
Okay.
And then my passion for running has always been there.
So when you started,
I started-
doing trekking,
Yeah, I'll start from the running and then go to the trekking.
okay,
Running I started in 1989.
1989, like
Yeah.
it's 36 years ago.
Yeah, and then
That's impressive.
started running marathons in 1995.
1995. Okay, so it's been 30 years.
So far I have done about 86 marathons.
86.
Above marathons.
Okay.
And so as part of that trekking, when we started going with the kids, afterwards I said, like, one of my friends wanted to go to Mount Kailash,
Okay.
and this was 2004,
Mm-hmm.
and there's not a whole lot of infrastructure in Kailash. So it was a struggle, and we couldn't do the full parikrama of the mountain because it was too early in the season and there's a lot of snow.
So apart from Kailash,
So
what
we-
are the other tricks?
Yeah, so
Have
we
you done?
still did about 11 miles up and down, and also that year my younger son was born, so his name is Kailash.
Oh, that's nice.
So after that, I've done some local treks in US, about 10-12,000 feet high, and there is one called Mount Whitney, 14,000 feet. I was doing that as a prep for the Everest Base Camp,
Okay.
but I couldn't reach the top,
Right.
and because there was a lot of ice and sleet, I went with my son, and so once I knew that no, I cannot, it will be difficult for me to come down, I said, like, I would rather come down and do the next time.
Okay.
And that time I always remember, the old mountaineers always say, you have an option to go up, but you don't have an option to come down.
Okay.
That means you need to be safe. Safety is number one.
So that's why you dropped that plan.
Yeah.
Take that time. Okay. So apart
So-
from
So since then I have done Gomukh Tapovan with India Hikes,
Mhm.
and that is one of the most memorable treks I have had, because up to Gomukh was not too bad.
Okay.
And every night you're sleeping next to Ganges. In fact, Bhagirathi,
Oh yeah, my name is
which
Bhagat.
is your name.
Yeah.
And nights were so beautiful, listening to the stream of the holy river.
Yeah.
But the last 1 mile going to Tapovan was not easy.
Okay.
Thanks to India Hikes guides who helped me. And since then I've done Everest Base Camp, Annapurna Base Camp. And Annapurna Base Camp was also very memorable because I was one-on-one with a guide. This guide had done Everest peak 19 times that.
90
at the time.
times?
19.
19 times, okay.
So I had one-on-one with him for 10 days.
10 days.
And
So I think those are some of the toughest trekking or the peak summit, right?
yeah, I mean, he did Everest. No, I was doing only the base camp.
Base camp, okay, okay.
Right, but his knowledge sharing was, like worth everything.
Okay.
You know? And yeah, since then I've been thinking, because I've seen almost
Just beside some cars are coming. Car is coming.
almost all the peaks above 8,000 meters, except the ones in Pakistan.
Okay, so you didn't go to
I couldn't
Pakistan.
go, and the only one that is missing is Manaslu.
No, that is coming.
Manaslu is in Nepal.
Okay.
Hopefully, I'll get a chance to see Manaslu. But about this trek,
Yeah.
the Kanchenjunga mountain is gorgeous.
Okay, so
And
yeah,
I-
tell us more about the experiences of this Sandaku and the Falu
Yeah.
trek.
So when I signed up for the Sandaku, I didn't expect what to see. And they said, "Oh, you'll see Everest and all that."
Yeah,
But I said, I've seen Everest
already.
before,
Yeah.
but Kanchenjunga I've not seen. So the
Let
day-
me show you the Kanchenjunga. We are trailing on a trek and trekking on the trail, and this is the view. The Kanchenjunga is just beside us. That is the Kanchenjunga. Actually, that one. I'm sorry, talking about that thing only, right, sir? Okay.
So the whole range that Bhagirath showed is called Sleeping Buddha.
Yeah.
And Kanchenjunga, as all of you know, is the third highest mountain in the world. And the only 8,000 meter peak in India.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's a beautiful mountain. But the best part about this trek is it is everywhere you see is mountain peaks.
Okay,
I've
so
never experienced something like
we're
that.
going to have a tough trek, so we'll keep on talking, okay, as we proceed. Thank you, sir.